Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you a very simple way to clean rust from metal. I take a plastic box, put a rusty key in it, from which I need to remove rust, and pour plain white vinegar. Now it should be left like this for a while. It is best to leave rusty items in vinegar for 24 hours. It's been 6 hours for me. I take a toothbrush and begin to clean the rust. Then I take a glass of warm water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I rinse the key in this solution. It's so easy at home to remove rust from metal with vinegar. Friends, if you liked this video, put your thumbs up under it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.